For all consumers, charging continues to be one of the major hassles. And if you are one, you can undoubtedly vouch for it. How about Elon Musk's, though? Crazy new battery developments. Watch this video with me as we examine Elon Musk making an incredible new battery discovery that astounds everyone. Musk is a great believer in developing new technologies to help people become less reliant on oil. New concepts are constantly being tested by companies like SpaceX, Tesla Hyperloop, and the Boring Firm. With great success, Elon Musk has changed people's lives and ushered in a new era of renewable energy. He has developed his ideas for sustainable energy reliance over time, and it appears that his success in this area will only continue to increase. Tesla's profits and pricing, which were the highest in every production and sales market internationally in April, had a big impact on the global auto industry. First of all, it indicates that the world is moving faster toward realizing Tesla's goal of accelerating the transition to sustainable energy. Due to their lower levels of noise, pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions, EVs are more environmentally friendly than hybrids and internal combustion engines. In addition to improving mobility, electric cars also help society by weaning the economy off of oil and reducing CO2 emissions from the transportation sector. However, one issue is the EVS's battery capacity and how frequently you need to recharge them in order for them to function properly. Since electric vehicles became recognized as reliable alternatives to internal combustion engines and hybrids, this conundrum has become a major issue. Lithium iron phosphate, Li-ion. Batteries, a less expensive alternative to the nickel and cobalt-based cells that predominate in the West, were installed in nearly half of the cars produced by American Electric Pioneer in the first quarter. The announcement, which was overshadowed by Tesla's $19 billion in sales and Elon Musk's Twitter tirade, sent a strong signal that iron-based cells are finally gaining traction in the global market at a time when nickel is hampered by supply concerns brought on by Russia's war in Ukraine, and cobalt is tainted by reports of hazardous working conditions at artisanal mines in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. How long the new 46 battery cells will last has been a hot topic on Twitter, and are they going to be the million-mile batteries that were mentioned on Battery Day? The rear-wheel drive Model 3, formerly known as the Standard Range model, is the vehicle with which Tesla is currently supplying the LFP battery. And compared to the previous model, these batteries may be recharged significantly more frequently. You and I'm sure, are equally interested in learning how long the 46 add battery cells last, how much performance and range they offer, and how rapidly they charge. What precisely is this new battery then? Find out now. During Battery Day, Tesla unveiled a new tablet with a 46 add cell form factor, among other things. The new form factor saves cost, streamlines manufacturing, eliminates tabs, and increases power, weight ratio. In other words, using the new Tesla 4680 cells is similar to bringing a potato gun to a fight with French fries. The new Tesla battery is larger, has a 5-fold increase in energy capacity over the previous Tesla 21700 cells, and can produce 6 times as much power. The most recent 4680 cells include a table design inspired by techno sports and a more prominent form factor. Because of its cylindrical shape, the 46 add battery is a lithium-ion battery. Its dimensions are equivalent to 21,700 and 18,650 respectively, the typical cell's height and diameter. It will eventually replace the 21,700 batteries that Tesla EVs currently use. Let's discuss the advantages of each new form factor. Tesla was pleased to purchase cells with its chemistry from its suppliers, but there were issues in the distance. To achieve its goal of 40 to 50 annual growth, Tesla will need an increasing number of batteries. According to Tesla's battery projections, there is a disparity between the company's internal demand for its auto and energy storage businesses and the production limitations of its battery cell suppliers. In order to address this issue, the Tesla teams have been working assiduously on acquiring and developing fresh technology solutions. Perhaps more importantly, Tesla entirely reimagined the process from beginning to end, using its expertise in manufacturing battery cells and its top-notch production equipment knowledge. As soon as it was time to build a new battery, Tesla began at the beginning. This choice reflects Musk's enthusiasm for the method based on these fundamental notions. Every design and conversation will start, in his opinion, with a fundamental truth that unites us. After these have been formed and altered numerous times, if the goods are true to the minerals they are made of, it is then possible to construct an ideal design. The updated 46 aid promotes tablets whose architecture directly enhances manufacturability, but whose design does away with the necessity for a tab and does away with the need for manufacturing lines to stop in order to install tabs. A production line can roll up and spit out large 4,680 cells with fewer manufacturing errors because of the new tablet cells, which remove this roadblock. The new 4,680 tablet cylindrical battery cell type, which has a number of performance, manufacturing, and economic advantages, is one of the outcomes of their work. As their name suggests, the new jumbo cells are 46 millimeters in diameter and 80 millimeters tall. The larger jelly roll increases energy retention and power by 5 and 6, respectively, by allowing more active battery material to be packed inside the container. The revised tablets, 4,680 cells, are significantly superior to tab cells in practically every way when ramping up to the pack, where the improved form factor alone results in a 16 gain in range, despite being larger compared to traditional 2170. Eliminating the tab makes it simpler for electrons to flow around inside the cell. Musk claims that a large tablet cell has a shorter root length than a smaller tablet cell. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and a tech fanatic, demanded nothing less than increased production efficiency for EVZ. Because of this, Tesla quickly moved from designing things to designing machines. Manufacturing is difficult, but Tesla's commitment inspired it to develop products that were simpler to produce in the first place. With each succeeding model, this has gotten better since it was first seen with Model 3. Tesla's 4,680 battery cells will officially start being produced commercially by Panasonic professionals in the April 2023 fiscal year. There are also plans to add more production lines and facilities to the business's Yama site. In the US, Panasonic is also building a massive gigafactory. Additionally, Panasonic is developing a prototype battery production line in Japan. The main battery supplier to Tesla has already said that it will make 4,680 cells for the business. To expand its operations abroad, it has emphasized that it is still in the testing stage and that full-scale manufacturing won't start until next year. The business recently announced that Japan will serve as the manufacturing location for its energy division's new 4,680 cylindrical lithium-ion batteries. In a recent article published by Tesla, Ratikazu Tadanobu, the CEO of Panasonic's energy division, provided some views and insight into the current situation of the 4,680 battery. Bloomberg claims that these new cells could revolutionize the auto industry by bringing down the price of electric cars while maintaining their performance and safety. Based on the CEO, building a bigger battery is not the only issue, despite what some people might think. He claims that Panasonic has been working on it for well over a year, and that it has been somewhat taxing. Tesla rotted. According to Nobu, the 4,680 development process required a lot of endurance, and changing the design cells required a lot of bravery. Panasonic did this despite not knowing how Tesla would respond to its variant of the company's 4,680s. The latest key component, rewrite by Tesla for its electric vehicles and power storage, may prove challenging. In conclusion, Tesla's new 4,680 battery cell is a game changer in automotive energy storage since it is substantially more affordable and has a higher energy to volume ratio. They have been reconstructed to serve as structural components of the vehicle, making it less expensive and more rigid. Today, Tesla revealed hundreds, if not thousands, of minor improvements to the battery cell, a vital part of the business. The cost per kilowatt hour was reduced by 14 as a result of the change in cell form factor. The cost per kilowatt hour improved by 18 as a result of the tantrum reduction in manufacturing, energy use, and the production footprint. The new manufacturing technique is based on a unique proof of concept process created by Maxwell Technologies that allows the active battery power material to be pressed directly into a film. There is a clear path to large-scale production even though the process has not yet reached industrial size. The cost per kilowatt hour is reduced by 5 when silicon is used more frequently in battery cells, and by 12 when the cathode material is improved. The cost of the battery pack per kilowatt hour has decreased by 7 thanks to Tesla's new integrated vehicle design, and the cars have been updated with new front-end actuality. The battery pack is incorporated with castings. Tesla accomplished this by creating a brand new alloy that allows for the casting of some of the most important auto parts. These connect to a brand new structural battery, eliminating the need for Tesla's extra parallel parts. Overall, it is anticipated that Tesla's redesign of the battery cathode and car chassis will result in a 56% reduction in cost per kilowatt hour. This will usher in a new era of reasonably priced electric cars, which is a major change for Tesla. Where it all starts is with the fundamental battery cell. Tesla is close to mass producing its newly designed battery cells after making significant advancements in the field. However, it will take 18 months to execute the majority of these changes. All EV users will greatly benefit from Elon Musk's incredible battery development because it increases the longevity, range, and efficiency of EVs. Can you imagine having a 50% reduction in your charging time? Alternatively, what do you think of Elon Z's breakthrough? Tell us in the comments section below. Anyway, gentlemen, click the video directly above if you want to see more intriguing videos. We appreciate your interest and encourage you to subscribe with all notifications turned on so you won't miss the newest Elon Musk insiders.